This is a 3D model of the Isle of Anglesey, or Ynys Mon. It's created from publicly available 2-meter digital elevation data. I created it in a piece of software called ZBrush and exported it for 3D print. And this is the 3D print, created in a polished bronze, silver, steel. There are other materials available, from plastic to 14 karat gold. And an ideal keyring. This is just a quick video just to show the quality of the final product, which is available on my Etsy store with links below. Thank you very much.